Configuring a compliance BCC email service for IntelliMail. In order to send reports and dashboards via IntelliMail, an email service needs to be configured in Salesforce. This can be done using a compliance BC address, guest site user, or chatter user. In this video, we will look at setting up a compliance BCC email service. To do this, we need to go to the Setup panel and then navigate to the Develop heading and then click on the Email Services link. From here, we can now click on the New Email Service button to configure an email service. Please note that in order to configure the email service correctly, the information needs to be completed exactly as I do it here. The first step is to enter the name, IntelliMail, and in the Apex class box we'll select the IntelliMail option. Accept attachments should be set to binary attachments only. The next three fields can be left blank and we'll be sure to tick the active checkbox to true. Now we will leave all the discard message pick lists as they are, and optionally we can choose to enable error routing by ticking the checkbox here and entering the email address to send error messages to. Enabling error routing sends an email to your administrator if any errors occur with your IntelliMail service. If you would like to use this option, then make sure that you enter the email address of a system administrator. We can now click the Save and New Email Address button to continue with the email service. On this page, the information should be pre-populated for you with an email address, active checkbox set to true, and context user. In the Accept Email From field, please be sure to delete any email addresses. We can now click Save. Once saved, a unique Salesforce email address will appear like this. Let's copy this address so that we can use it in the next step. To copy the address, I'm selecting it with my mouse and then right-clicking and choosing the Copy option. Now, to configure the Compliance BCC email, we need to navigate to the Email Administration section of the Setup panel and select the Compliance BCC email option. Now, in the Compliance BCC email field, we need to paste the email address that we just copied from the email service. Ensure that the Enable checkbox is ticked and then click the Save button. Your Compliance BCC email service is now configured and you can continue to the IntelliMail Domain Manager configuration. Please note that enabling Compliance BCC emails prevents users from editing the BCC field on any Salesforce email and disables their automatic BCC settings. BCC emails get sent to the address you specify for any outbound emails excluding system emails. Optionally, you can use the chatter user or guest site user email service methods outlined in separate videos instead of using the Compliance BCC method.